The dawn of technology unfurled a vast, uncharted landscape, where sensing technologies, now integral to our existence, began as primitive tools confronting myriad challenges. Picture a world where transforming physical phenomena into measurable data was but a dream. Early forerunners faced obstacles ranging from scant materials to unrecognized potential applications. Yet, the flame of innovation blazed on. The initial breakthroughs, though modest, were revolutionary, establishing the foundation for a field brimming with possibilities. These victories ignited a technological evolution, morphing simple tools into complex systems essential in our daily lives. Join us as we trace the transformative journey of sensing technologies, witnessing their integration into our society and their immense impact on our world. Progressing through the annals of technological advancement, sensing technologies emerge as pivotal innovators reshaping our existence. From rudimentary origins to cornerstone status in modern society, they've intricately woven themselves into our routine. This narrative isn't solely about technological leaps, it's a testament to how these developments seamlessly mingle with everyday life, altering it in previously inconceivable ways. Technological strides in sensing catalyzed a new era, making environments react in real time, thus elevating our quality of life. Beyond mere convenience, this evolution compels us to reconsider our tech relationships, encourages sustainable living, and revisits notions of privacy and security. As sensing technologies march forward, they blur the digital and physical realms, promising an era teeming with possibilities yet to be imagined. On the cusp of the future, sensing technologies beckon, redefining our journey with both eagerness and curiosity. Emerging innovations, born from creativity and resolve, aim to transform our reality. From the intricate frameworks of smart cities to personal wearable health devices, the potential applications are limitless. Despite the promise, the path is strewn with challenges. A conglomerate of technical, ethical, and environmental hurdles awaits innovative solutions. The interplay between present obstacles and future resolutions crafts the future of sensing. Through collaborative efforts, spanning disciplines and borders, we anticipate a world enriched by advanced sensing technologies. This vision is not merely of technological marvels but of human upliftment, bridging today with the boundless prospects of tomorrow. Together, we're not just envisioning the future of sensing, we're constructing the future itself.